I really love this restaurant. I always order 3 cheese lasagna here.
Me too, it's the best.
Hi, what'll it be?
3 cheese lasagna by 2, thanks.
Actually, I think we've only got the 1 portion left.
Okay, I'll take it.
Well, hang on, why should you get it? Sorry, just give us a minute.
I really want that 3 cheese lasagna.
Okay, well, I really want it too, Oscar.
It was my suggestion to come here.
Come on, I helped you paint your entire apartment last week, and I lent you my car.
I needed that car to drive you to the hospital.
Because I fell out of your window while I was painting, and then at the hospital, you were at the front to eat my chocolate cake.
That was an amazing chocolate cake. Okay, you can have the lasagna. My friend will take the lasagna.
While you guys were chatting, I do believe that another customer just bought the last portion.
I hate this restaurant.
I told you not to come here.